Hello, my name's Ian from Bath & Brands, and today we're going to be showing you a short video on how to clean and maintain your furniture. These are the tools required for this job. So when cleaning your furniture, the main thing you want to do is, rather than spraying your furniture, you want to spray the cleaner onto the actual cloth. What you're trying to avoid is overspray on your metalwork, so on your hinges, on your chrome handles and things like that, and also potentially on your worktop as well. So clean through your whole unit, all over handles, inside on your shelves and on the base. Very, very important on wooden furniture to make sure that you clean and dry all of your top surfaces to make sure there's no residue of any cleaning material. If you do have any residue, just clean water, dry it off, and make sure there's no water sitting even on your base, anything like that, because that can ingress into your furniture and will actually void your warranty and can cause the wood to split or swell. So when you're cleaning your worktop, the key here will be, or the material of the worktop that you've got. Wooden worktops will follow the same care and guide instructions for the wooden furniture underneath. Solid surface worktops, like our Minerva worktop, are slightly different, and you need to be aware of a few things when using and cleaning them. Normal cleaning is just soap and water, but you can do some extra bits on these to make sure that you keep the shine. You can use a household cream cleaner like Cif, and you can also use automotive polish along the lines of a finishing polish or T-cut or something like that. So on the solid surface materials and worktops, you need to be aware of strong colours and chemicals, hair dyes, nail varnish removers, nail polishes, makeups, which can stain the surface. If you do need to remove anything like that, then again, an automotive polish will be your best bet with like Autoglim, T-cut, or a professional finishing polish. Thank you for watching this short cleaning video. If you need any other videos, you'll find them on our website.